Okay, guys, welcome back to another tutorial series of an endless runner game we'll be creating in 1 week. In this series, we're going to be looking at saving player data, saving our coins, or of course, we're saving our score as a player prep, so that one doesn't have any issue. So you're going to be using our binary formatter. So let's hop right into it. I'm going to create a new C# script. I'm going to call it player save. Okay, class that will store all our savable data. But before then, we need to use some libraries. Maybe you'll be okay. That's all. That should be all. Okay, so we'll create a class here. Just right up here. Make this your right, and it's going to be maybe quite right down right here, but this is the two things I'm going to be working with. Okay, so that's why I'm putting it here, just these two. Okay. But of course we'll come back in the future to write more. Now in the main class we need an awake function. Okay, we save player save. Public static player save instance. If instance equals to null, you say instance is equals to this number, and then since this is a save, we don't want this to be destroyed at any point. So we'll say if instance is not equals to this, then what you are going to do is, because now when you load in between scenes, some objects get destroyed, but we want to make sure that the object doesn't get destroyed, and at the same time it doesn't appear it's not 2. Understand? Because when we transfer the same object to another scene, for example, it might appear 2, which is sometimes very disturbing, some memory lack and rest of them. So yeah, we are going to destroy the object if it's already present. If it's not, we won't destroy the object. I think that should be done. That should be it. Okay, that's it. So right here we are going to write public that's right. Then we'll write public integer character costs, and then we'll need a public d, and then we'll need a string part our application is going to be saved. So let's go here. We save 5 parts is equals to, let's call it also that. Now we come down here and say if the data which we will create in, okay, we'll first create, we have 2 functions here. One will be the save and the other one will be the load. So we'll look at binary formatters. Binary formatter. Then we'll say 5 parts. This is where we create a 5 part. That's if we don't already have it. Now you say Now this is where we now do the saving. We will now say data to coins. You say data cost dot length. That's this where did we say the total cost that we're getting? I had to name them the same name so we don't get confused along the way. Now you say right, okay. So what we are going to do right here, if you notice there is this one that has data dot. Anyone that has data dot is referring to this one right here in our pure data. Then this other one there is just referring to this. So we are taking an instance of this and saving it to this. That's what we are doing. So after that, we'll close this loop. We'll say vf dot data. That's it, and then you close it. File dot close. I think that should be all. We will say binary formatter. Let's speed this up so not to get confused. That right here we open, here we created, but now we are opening the file. Dot open. Then we will now say save. We now say vf dot this right. Then you close it. File close. Then here you say coin. You now say another for loop. That why is my IntelliSense not working? Isolate and data dot character cost. No, yeah. That's how you use it for dot length. My eye is going to bug out. Then what we're going to do here is we're going to take the character cost, yeah, and then of course, yeah. So as it, we now have our save and our load function. So let's quickly save this. Hopefully no errors. Where do we have errors? 29. What do we do wrong here? Semicolon. That's my bad. Okay. File does not contain. No. 33. Do you have any other errors? Okay. Okay, you have 33 and 62. I believe that should be some capitalization. Okay, it's okay. See, that's supposed to be capital letter. Then entry. Is this? Oh, there's going to be an S. That's one thing with programming. It's not like your usual English language. If you don't do it wrong, you don't do it wrong. You don't do it right. So I'm going to create an empty game object here. Prepare save, and then let me go to where's that script. Okay, here. So this is going to store whatever coins we have, because I made it public so we can, able to character costs. This is going to be the cost of our character, and the IDs. This is supposed to be private, but don't worry. So this is going to be the cost of our character. So That's all. In the next episode, I'm going to show you guys how to bring in different characters now. When we bring out different characters now, and then we'll line them up, and then boom, have price tag to them. So thank you and see you in the next episode.